What's up? It's been a while. I felt like vlogging today. Maybe I'll vlog a couple more times next week as well. So I got some cool stuff to do today. We are in the process of upgrading our menu at Cultura. So today I'm going to test out some Palabok, and then we're going to do sinigang on the regular now. And then I got one more thing. I'm not quite ready to announce it, but it's gonna have to do with some chicken and some frying. What's up? We're back at Cultura, and I am gonna set up a shop. Gonna make some palabok. We got some sinigang today. Hopefully I get some cool shots of that. And here we go.
Mommy's gonna be proud of you.
Why?
Or you made palabok.
Alright. It's pretty good.
You know you're right. Or mom's right. How come we don't have patis here?
I brought some. I brought some. What do you think though?
It's good. Yeah. Solely mo na i-adapt. Naman, pag... Siyempre, na ako man mabuktot.
Hey! What's up, girl?
Muli ko talaga kasi siyempre...
For dinner tonight, we're having Celestino's Pizza in Rockland. I think it's the best pizza place in the county. Although I haven't been to many others, but this one's fucking good.
Yeah. So dapat magpakataba.
I had one already.